Been talking about it. In fact, we've got a look at San Francisco right now. On your left, 53 degrees there, but what a difference in Chicago. That polar vortex everyone talking about spilling across the area, bringing with it conditions colder than temperatures on the surface of Mars. Current temperature negative 20 degrees. It's with the wind chill factor there. It's not just the Midwest. The Northeast also dealing with frigid conditions. 230 million Americans experiencing temperatures of 32 degrees or colder so far. Sadly, at least 7 people have died from the extreme weather. Now, Carrie's tracking the winter blast and the rain here in the Bay Area as well this morning. Carrie?
Yeah, we are dealing with some of the warmer weather here, but for many people, it's really hard to even imagine what a current temperature of 21 degrees below zero feels like. Minneapolis, the current temperature is 23 degrees below zero. But then when you factor in the wind chill in Chicago, it feels like it is 41 degrees below zero. So it's just really unimaginable. And so for many people in the Bay Area, we're going to head live to Green Bay, Wisconsin to get more of a perspective on what it is like. Gino Recchia out there in the cold. Just tell us what it's like.
Carrie, I'm a little jealous here in San Francisco. You got the temperatures in the 50s. That's 70 degrees warmer than what it is right now here in Green Bay. It looks like an Arctic tundra. We're actually on the weather deck at our station. This is a towel that is completely frozen. That is how cold it is here in the Green Bay area. Now, to give you a perspective, the temperatures that we're seeing right now, it is the coldest in the last 23 years. 1996 is when we saw temperatures this cold. And if you're curious, the coldest temperature ever in Green Bay, it was in the negative 30s back in 1886. Now here's a thermometer that we got showing just below minus 20. We've been between about minus 20 to minus 30 around northeast Wisconsin, with wind chills ranging from about minus 30 to minus 45. Now with these conditions, you could get frostbite in as little as in 10 minutes. So that's why, as you can see, I'm bundled up from head to toe. I got the scarf. You could even have some people wearing ski goggles because of how cold it is. Now, the good thing, at least this morning compared to last morning, is while it's a little bit colder, Carrie, it's actually not as windy, so those wind chills are not as bad.
And we've both been in temperature sub-zero. The coldest I've been in is 22 below zero. What about you?
Coldest I've ever experienced was about 22 actually as well below zero. I was living in Duluth, and I thought I would be experiencing only the cold there. They almost consider it part of Canada because it's so far north. But apparently the cold air decided to move down here into Green Bay. So I guess I have to move a little bit farther south. Maybe Florida should be my next job.
Wow, thank you so much. Try to get inside very quickly right